so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta and I am 30 years old today. It's a huge new thing. A whole decade of my 20s has passed. A whole new decade is coming up, and I am so excited to start this decade with something so special. So, I'm getting ready to shoot a video जो आप ऑलरेडी देख चुके हो बिकॉज वो वाला वीडियो इससे पहले आ चुका है. सो यू प्रोबेबली नो व्हाट इट इज, बट वील जस्ट कीप द मैजिक गोइंग फॉर अ व्हाइल, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक मेरे मुंह से वो बात बोली नहीं है जो मैंने उस वीडियो में अनाउंस करी है. तो आई एम स्टिल प्रोसेसिंग इट, बट यू आर गोइंग टू होल्ड माई हैंड थ्रू दिस वीडियो व्हाइल वी गेट रेडी एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट आर द 30 थिंग्स आई डिड बिफोर आई टर्न 30. लेट्स गो. टू स्टार्ट ऑफ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माई जिलेट वीडियोस ऑन माई फेस, क्योंकि मैं एक हफ्ते से हूँ जहाँ मैं हूँ एंड नो फॉर्म ऑफ स्किन केयर और एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर हैज हैपेंड. हमने we just put some water on the face and I don't think I've done a video where I've actually like, but can you see दो तीन बाल इधर हैं. So we're just gonna और फिर मॉइस्चराइज. Okay. And then I'm just going to store it in this. Love having this on me when I travel. This is the Venus Smooth with the Glide Strip. Ye wali. Okay. Alright. Let us begin. So, here's a list of the 30 things I did before turning 30. Number 30. I survived without murdering anyone. Trust me. 30 सालों में काफी लोग थे that came very very close, but I survived staying out of jail. Number 29. I learned how to cook. बहुत important skill है और मेरे लिए बहुत therapeutic also, so it was a big one. Number 28. I started earning my own money. Again, a huge one. I earned my first paycheck when I was about 16. And I've been earning ever since. Number 27. I found my dream. Number 26. I changed my dream. Number 25. I learned how to drive and ride a motorcycle. Number 24. I learned how to dance and toured a few countries with my dance group, जो बहुत cool था. मैं बहुत young थी when I started traveling and I think the reason for that was my dance group. अगर वो shows नहीं होते या जो मैं theater उस time पे करती थी, अगर वो नहीं होता, I don't think I would have traveled as much. So yeah, I'm so glad that happened. Number 23, I read over 100 books. वो भी मैं कम ही बोल रही हूँ because मेरी math इतनी कच्ची है. I am pretty sure it's more than 150 books because 50 books तो मैंने पिछले 6 महीने में ही पढ़ ली हैं. बट ऊपर नीचे टेक्स्ट बुक्स अगर नहीं गिने तो फिर मुझे लगता है 100 बुक्स तो पढ़ ही लिए होंगे, which I think is huge, at least for me. So I'll give myself that. Number 22, I learned how to swim in less than an hour. Less than an hour, guys. I don't think you understand what a big deal it is for me. I was 29, मतलब ये 1 महीने पहले हुआ है and for the longest time मुझे तैरना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था और मैं सीखने की भी कोई खास कोशिश कर नहीं रही थी. So it was a huge deal for me when I learned how to swim in an hour. And it's so much fun. Now I have things to do in the pool. Number 21. I bought my dream car. 2-2.5 साल पहले there was this one car जो बड़े टाइम से मेरा मन था कि यार एक दिन तो ये गाड़ी खरीदेंगे. बचपन से that was the one car that I wanted. And I think for a lot of middle class children when we are growing up, हमारे लिए वो एक गाड़ी बहुत special होती है. And I bought it, which was great. Oh wow, I am so bad at math. There's a glitch in my list. I have done 22, 21, 22, 21. So these are more than 30 things that I've done before I turned 30. Damn it! हम वैसे ही जाएंगे जैसे लिस्ट में लिखा है, ठीक है, क्योंकि उस हिसाब से मैंने 30 के अंदर वाली चीजें करी हुई है. 21 was bought my dream car. 22 again is saw 10% of the world. But yeah, there's this app that tells you exactly how much of the world you've seen. और मैंने कल उस पर सारे countries डाले जो मैं जाके आई हूँ and it turns out that I've seen more than 10% of the world, which is huge. which is huge for me. Yes. उसके बाद दोबारा से 21 आता है which I think we can club with this, which is ate a lot of food from around the world. My favorite thing to do every time I travel is to try local food. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो भी मेरे काम की वजह से मैं घूम पाई हूँ, नई नई जगह देख पाई हूँ, I'm just very glad that I got to eat a lot of food. Number 20, I learned how to do a headstand, which is, even you know it's damn good. Number 19, and it's a huge one, I learned how to say no. एक नहीं, एक से ज़्यादा ऐसे instances हुए जहाँ पे I put my foot down and I said no. And I think that's a huge thing I learned to do before I turned 30. Number 18, I learned to file my taxes. Oh. जो ideally मुझे स्कूल में सीख जाना चाहिए था, जो मुझे स्कूल में सिखा देना चाहिए था, थोड़ा better, जो नहीं हुआ. But yeah, I'm not as clueless about taxes anymore as I used to be before, so yeah. It's a win, I'll take it. Number 17, I actually sang more than one song and had the audacity to film a music video about it. I mean, there is Shameless, there is No Offense, there is Lockdown हो गया, there's the rap song, there's a bunch of things. मुझे हमेशा गाने में बड़ा मजा आता था बचपन से, लेकिन I never thought I would have the guts to actually go to a studio, record a song, and like put it out for the world to see. So I'm very proud of myself for that. Number 16, I hit more than a dozen content blocks in my journey so far as a creator, and I didn't give up. Not once! No sir! Number 15, I sat down and actually had meaningful conversations with a bunch of influential people from across the world, and that includes a Bill Gates, a Tim Cook, you know, Melinda Gates, so many writers, so many creators, so many people who are actually making a difference. Number 14, I discovered things that I'm passionate about. I learned that mental health मेरे heart के बहुत करीब है. Girls' education is something that I feel for very dearly. I realized that climate change is a whole new thing and it makes a huge difference to my life every time I speak about it. Also, the whole UNDP thing was a huge win. So yeah, well done, P. Number 30, made some friends, lost some friends. Number 12, which is very special, which makes young Prajakta very happy. I've signed autographs and taken selfies, which is just mad. Number 11, saw myself on magazine covers. एक बार याद है मुझे दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे मैं थी and I was running so late for my flight and वो announcement चल रही थी कि final boarding call and I remember I passed by this one book stand जिसके ऊपर Forbes 30 under 30 वाला मेरा cover लगा था and I remember just freezing there for the first time. You know, से अचानक से वो हो जाता है कि limbs are not working and I remember just sitting there thinking I need to go for a flight but I couldn't stop staring at that book stand and I was just like यार अगर टाइम होता तो ये वाली खरीदती पर मेरी फ्लाइट छूट जाती तो मैं बस देख के खुश हो गई और मैं भाग गई वहां से. But yeah, that one was pretty special. Number 10, worked with Michelle Obama. I didn't meet. I sat down and I worked with her. I had a conversation, we made a difference and it was Michelle Obama. I checked. Number 9, I made over 1.5 billion views cumulatively across my social media handles. And मुझे पता है कि जब मैंने videos बनाने शुरू किए थे मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि 30,000 subscribers अगर मेरे हो जाते हैं लाइफ में in general मेरी लाइफ पूरी हो जाएगी, सफल हो जाएगी. As a creator I will have peaked. So ये सारे numbers जिनके zeros मैं count भी नहीं कर सकती were not even a dream. काश मैं बोल सकती it was not even a dream. I didn't even have the guts to dream for these numbers. So thank you. Number 8, won a daytime Emmy award for one of the projects that I was in. जो Michelle Obama वाला project था that actually got nominated and won us a daytime Emmy award. और I still think I've not processed it because I don't freak out about it as often and as much as I should. Number 7, I've had hoardings of me across the city and across the country for Pretty Fit, for Juk Juk Jio और वो वाली feeling मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती, मैं कभी भी नहीं भूल सकती कि that actually happened. Number 6, I shot and released my first film and my first Netflix show, which is huge. बचपन से धर्मा में काम करने का मेरा सपना था, and that actually came true with Jug Jug Jio, and I don't think I give the universe enough credit for just coming through, my friend. Thank you. Number 5, I bought a home for my parents. I come from a very simple middle class family, so मेरे लिए this is too special, and also I wish I could say that it was a dream, but I had not even thought that I had the guts to dream about this, but it came through. Thank you. Number 4, I fell in love, which is great that I did when I did, and I'm very glad that I did. Yeah. Number 3, I've had more than one instance where my parents have felt proud of me, and I'm sorry अगर ये वीडियो ऐसी लगे कि ये क्या अपनी ही मतलब अपना ही बैंड मतलब अपनी ही धुन गाए जा रही है, but I'm sorry guys, it's one of those things I had to sit down and I had to talk to you and tell you that these are the 30 things that I've done before I've turned 30, and it's huge. थोड़ा बहुत I'm gonna be obsessed with the fact that mama ba happy. Number 2, I made best friends with my mind and my body. It took a long time. It's an uphill climb. लेकिन finally मैं अब एक ऐसी जगह पे हूँ जहाँ पे मैं अपने body को और अपने mind को accept करती हूँ along with its good sides, its bad, its not so good sides. And I'm very happy and I'm very secure and I'm more confident than I've ever been. And I don't think anybody can shake that. And number 1. Go to the video before this to what number 1 is if you haven't seen that video yet. Wow. Cross promotion, Jump News is already out, but it's a huge one. I wrote a book. Okay, I'm gonna go shoot that now. Please wish me luck. मैं पहली बार ये बोलने वाली हूँ, which is not a whisper. I'm gonna say it out loud and I'm finally gonna announce that I did something I never thought I could do. If you like this video, make sure you give it लंबा हो गया नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा, I'm sorry. Make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Thank you for all the lovely wishes, handwritten letters, edits, pictures, DMs, comments, सब कुछ जो मेरे birthday पे आप सबने किया. I hope I tried my best, and if I haven't, I will try my best now to reply to as many as I can. But I can already tell you that my birthday went very, very well. Okay, I'm gonna go now until we meet. Love.